Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best cloth diaper detergents that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Cloth Diaper Detergents. A permanent mountain of laundry is a fact of life for all moms, which is why we all for taking the time to find a detergent that works hard for you. If you're cloth diapering, you'll need right detergent. Here are our top 5 cloth diaper detergents. Number 5. 7th Generation Ultra Power Plus. It is a plant-based option that's gentle on the environment, but strong enough to sufficiently clean your baby's dirty diapers. It contains triple enzymes to remove even the toughest of poop stains. Main features: he's safe, beautiful scent, less chemicals. Number 4. Tide Powder Detergent. This super soluble detergent works well in hot or cold water and will leave your cloth diapers virtually residue-free. Plus, it's rather affordable for most families. Main features: exceptional cleaning power. Great option for hard water. Packaging is more environmentally. Number 3. Rocking Green Natural Laundry Detergent Powder. This is a natural detergent. It's also been formulated to be compatible with any type of washing machine. Main features: natural formula provides gentle. Bulk bag gets you through multiple washes. Formulated to work with any washing machine. Number 2. Charlie's Soap Laundry Detergent. This laundry power provides a deep clean for a great price. You just need 1 tablespoon of detergent per large load. A single bag can get you through 100 loads. Main features: eco-friendly. A little bit of powder goes a long way. Won't leave residue in your washer. Number 1. Tide Free and Gentle Detergent. It is a great free and clear detergent option that is safe for cloth diapers. Its amazing ability to clean and fight stains, while its lack of dyes and perfumes makes it an excellent choice for even the most sensitive of skin. Main features: he's safe, convenient, gentle on the skin. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.